Good morning, students. Hope you all are good. I hope you have done your task for day 1 and 2. Today we will solve task of week 1 day 3, which is division sentence. We will learn how to write division sentence. Then we will write division sentences for this worksheet. Dear students, open your maths book, page number 65, division sentences. You can see there are 4 books. Can you share the story books into 2 equal groups? Yes, we will divide it in 2 equal parts. How to write division sentence? Here you can see this is called our division sentence. The total number of objects will be written first, then the sign of division, then number in which we will divide, then we will write sign of equals, and then we will write the answer. As you can see, each boy will get 2 storybooks. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 is a division sentence. We read this as 4 divided by 2 equals 2. When we share objects into 2 groups, you are dividing by 2. Use the sign, this sign, to mean divide. Look at these multiplication and division sentences. 2 2s are 4. In division sentence, 4 will be written in the start of the sentence, then the sign of division, 2 equals to 2. Students, now you have to write division sentences for this worksheet. In first question, old shepherd had 3 sons and he got 15 sheep which he want to give equally to his son. We have to divide 15 by 3. Let's write the sentence for this division word problem. First, we will write 15, that is the total number of sheep. Then, division sign, 3 equals to. We will revise the table of 3 until we got 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Yes. 3 5s are 15. This is the division sentence for the question number 1. Question is, there are 10 bananas and 5 students want to equally share these bananas. How many bananas each student will get? Let's write a division sentence and solve this question on whiteboard. As the total number of bananas are 10, then we will write the sign of division, 5 students. We will revise the table of 5 until we got 10. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. This is the division sentence for the question number 2. Question number 3 is, Miss Taylor bought 6 pens for $24. How much she paid for each pen? Total amount is 24 and she bought 6 pens. She bought 6 pens. Again, we will revise table of 6 until we got 24. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. This is the division sentence for question number 3. Students, this is the task for day 3. Revise page number 65 and then solve these 3 questions on your neat notebook or loose sheets as summer vacation task. Good luck.